Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to add display name on Twitch. So first of all, launch Twitch app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the option of profile at the bottom right corner. From here you'll see the option of edit profile at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now, under the category of About, you'll see the category of display name. So, display name is already added on your profile once you have created your Twitch account. So, you could change it by tapping on it. Let's tap on it. Now, in order to change your display name, you can choose your name according to your preferences. Once done, tap on Save at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will successfully be able to change your display name on your Twitch account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.